On over 1 million kilometers of railroad track, trains safely take us to our destination. To keep it this way, ROBEL has been striving to make railway construction and maintenance safe and efficient for more than 100 years. Innovative maintenance systems and vehicles from ROBEL adapt to specific requirements in a modular way. They adapt to urban spaces as well as tunnels and high-speed railway. With our systems, safety, usability and quality will always come first. This is a promise we will keep all around the world. ROBEL. Great on track.